What's up? Today's video is going to be all about Fairy Tale Brownies. So Fairy Tale Brownies is a brownie company that is a family-owned business, and they have a ton of sweet treats and brownies, so I'm going to share them with you. So the first pack I have here are their chocolate chip, and these are their snack size brownies. So really tasty and yummy and great for a little treat. So I have those. And then I've got their, it says Happy Father's Day, but I've got their kit of a bunch of different brownies. So I'll share these with you. So we have literally a box full of a ton of homemade brownies. So we have their white chocolate chip brownie cookie here. We've got their double chocolate brownie cookie. We've got their cinnamon cocoa snack size brownie. We've got their walnut snack size brownie, mint chocolate snack size brownie, chocolate chip cookie. We have their snickerdoodle cookie, their pecan cookie, which looks really good. Their toffee nut crunch cookie, which I'm excited about. I love toffee crunch and anything mint too. Their espresso bean cookie, well, snack size brownie. And then we have their chocolate chip snack size brownie, their cheesecake swirl snack size brownie, their original snack size brownie, a caramel pecan cookie, and then we have a caramel snack size brownie, and a chocolate chip one, and a cream cheese one. So I cannot wait to try these. These would be the perfect gift for other people or just to buy for yourself. You can also get 15% off site-wide by using my code GY83. So I'm going to put that on the screen and in the description. If you use the code GY83, you'll get the 15% off. And it says the best way to keep these fresh is eat them within 7 days, or keep it like on the counter for 7 days. 30 days you can keep it in the fridge for, or 6 months in the freezer. I'm probably going to put them in the freezer just because I want to keep them for when people come over and have some of my family and friends try it. So these are awesome. I love the company. I love what they stand for. They give back. They support a ton of great companies. They're family owned, so definitely check them out. I'll link them down below and you can shop below for yourself.